Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and POCO M5. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app. Tap the cast button located at the top of the screen and select your TV. Now, when your smartphone is connected to TV, you can play anything you want on the TV using smartphone. To disconnect your smartphone from TV, again press this button and select disconnect. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.